because of battery. That's why I'm 10 minutes late.
Yeah, no problem, no worries.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah. Yes, brother, how is the things? How is it going?
Everything is fine. I was just worried because you were looking upset and your project was not going into the right direction.
Yeah. I'm late. I'm also worried about it. Let's
Okay.
finish this. Okay. Actually, I had marked so many things yesterday. It was yesterday, right?
Okay.
This is a strategy. What is this? Merchant levels. And this one. Anomaly. Yeah. Okay. Okay, this is anomaly is without filter. This red color is anomaly with filter. Okay,
Okay.
here you can see we draw a line and we are getting a signal here, but we missed signal here. Here, see.
Actually, this is because the candle did not cross in between these two lines. The
Yes,
candle closed
yeah, I have seen
lower than the.
observe the same thing, but as you said, this is the first trend line. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Whenever it touches and close below of the trend line, we should get the signal. And for
Okay.
the
So whenever the candle wick touches the trend line, you want a signal.
yeah, no, you should close below of the this trend line.
What if it closes in between of both trend lines?
We should not get. No, we should wait for the second
Okay.
trend line. This trend line, it should touch.
Okay.
See, this one has break, right? Next trend line, it has to touch or the high. Sometimes I observe that this high point and this high point also same. If I see, if I observe that this high point is 59620, and this high value is 623, it means it's crossed already. So we should get the signal here. The first condition
Okay.
is,
Arjun,
yeah.
okay, I understand. Arjun, let's suppose it has not touched here. So is this signal invalid because the candle has closed in between of both trend lines here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I'll update it just
Yeah,
now.
if it
Anything
is
else?
this, the first trend line is failed, we can go to the next trend line. Okay, so that is the only
Okay.
error. So that's it. And even if you are closing in between these two trend lines, there are 60% chances next bar we can expect a reversal candle, but sometimes it's not reversing, so I don't want to take risk on that. But here we are getting the sure shot signal. Okay,
Okay.
this is the one thing. uh, if you are okay to interest some other things, I can explain. So it could be the second project or extend of this project, like that. What do you say?
Mm, Okay. Are you recording the video?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay. So let's go ahead.
Okay, anyway, you are finding an color change, right? So the color change, I'm also observing that actually you gave me as idea yesterday, like the anomaly forming this color here. Okay, these two candles, right? this anomaly has formed between these two. Because of these two candles, anomaly has formed, and the next candle has a green color. So let's take a filter. Let's take a open value as a trend, one trend line, and closed value as another trend line. If any candle touches this wick touches and close above this trend line, then we should get a buy signal. Here it has failed. Here we get one signal, but it closes in between, but it didn't touch the second signal, so don't consider that.
You mean that when the candle touches both trend lines?
No, no, one trend line is enough. Like I'll show you an example. Okay, this is an example. The candle anomaly has formed, and the this signal is a red signal. So we got a color change here. Okay, so
Okay.
between these two color changes, the open value is a one trend line, and closed value is a one trend line. And the next bar you can see it broke the open value trend line, but it touches the closed value trend line and closed below of the trend line. So in the on the next candle we should get a down arrow
Okay. Okay.
always.
So is it another kind of arrows, the or addition to the same strategy?
Oh, it's a different strategy. Actually, yesterday you told me this. So I thought, why cannot try and see the like observe the
Okay.
market. So it seems okay for me. So I
Okay.
can. I'm just trying out.
Okay. Arjun, I will paint a different kind of arrows for both strategies.
Sorry.
Should I paint different type of arrows for both strategies?
Yeah. The for now it's you keep a different. We can otherwise we can keep a filter. Filter is better, right?
Okay, we can keep it as filter.
Yeah. Okay. So this is one strategy, and another strategy. This is a moving average 6, and I can keep 10 also. And method is simple and apply to close. Okay, whenever you see
Okay.
the candle touches the moving average, if it is red from above, not from bottom. Okay, from the above the candle as it's act from the above it's act as a support. Okay, if the candle is below it's act as a resistance. From the resistance we always consider as a consider buy signals. From the support we have to consider sell signals.
Yes.
So the sell signal has a wick has touched and closed above this moving average. Okay, on the next candle
Okay.
we need a buy arrow.
Okay.
Okay, here also
Okay. If the candle
we
is
already
bearish and
we,
the lower wick,
sorry,
if the bearish and the lower wick of the candle
come
touches the
again.
moving average, then there should be a buyer on the next candle.
Yes, yes, correct. See, this is a sell signal. Okay, this is a buy signal, and you can see the sell signal here. Okay, you can see a sell signal here.
Okay.
Okay, this is one thing. This is one more strategy. Actually, I need input for this moving average also. Sometimes I may change to 6 also. It's giving 6
Okay.
also is giving good results. Okay. So you can give me the
Okay.
moving average filter. So this is one strategy.
One question.
Yeah.
Arjun, is it? Wait. Do you see my cursor,
Oh, yeah, I can see.
Arjun?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So Arjun,
Change the moving average to 10. Change the moving average to 10.
yeah,
Find it.
just a minute. Actually, I was finding something. Is it also a buy signal because the candle is bearish? The lower wick of the candle touches the moving average.
Yeah, correct, correct.
Okay. And is this a buy signal? The wick is not touching, but the candle body is touching.
No, the
On this.
body stretching is, you should not consider. Big touches and
Okay.
closed above the moving average.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else, Arjun?
Okay. You understand two things, right? One is uh, anomaly signal
Moving
and
average.
trend lines. Another is
Yes.
moving average is a trend line. So coming to this
Yes.
moving average trend line, support and resistance. This is an anomaly, but there is no signal for us, right? We don't have any signal here, any support and resistance, but we have a support and resistance from the moving average. Okay, if the second signal has touched the moving average, the wick has touched from the bottom and closed below of the the wick touches the moving average and closed below of the moving average. So this is also considered as a support and resistance. So on the next signal, if a anomaly is forms, on the next signal we should get a anomaly signal. So this trend line, this moving average trend line, if the support horizontal supports fails, then we have to check moving average trend line support and resistance.
Okay. And regarding the moving average support and resistance, should we consider it only from the previous candle?
Previous candle means which candle?
If this is a sell signal, then the previous candle is this. The moving average is at this point.
Yeah, I pointed out. You can see my vertical line, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that is a second signal. So sorry, second candle. This is the first candle and second candle. So this is larger, this is
If
smaller.
a sell
Volume
signal
is,
is here, if a sell signal is here, okay, okay, yeah, this is the second candle, and this support and resistance. Why it is catching the moving average value from this candle? Why not from these two?
which one? Why not? Can you point out? Can you point
This
out
this yellow color moving average, it is according to the moving average value of this candle, right?
this one? No, no, no. Can you? You have a
This
control, right?
yellow,
Can you show me? Can you show me? Can point out
uh, yeah, this. Can you please draw this yellow line? What is its correct position?
which one?
Yeah, this yellow line, the
This one.
moving average support and
This one. You mean to say? Oh, this one. Change this moving average. Wait. Let me change to back. Okay.
it's fine. I just wanted to know the position of the trend line when we are using the moving average based trend line.
No, still get it. I didn't get it.
Uh, mm, You were explaining me the trend line according to the moving average.
No, that is, don't consider that. This is moving average is a trend line. Okay, I'm keeping 6 for anomaly. Moving average is a trend line. Don't consider yellow. If the yellow has failed, there is no trend line support and resistance from the horizontal. Okay, if this is one is failed, so there is no support and resistance. Here is a break. There is no support and resistance, but there is this we can consider moving average also a support and resistance. So here we got the
Arjun,
signal.
Arjun, please, Arjun, we are going to consider moving average as a support and resistance, right?
Yes, right.
So we shall first check if there is any arrow from the anomaly. If uh, and then if there is no arrow, then we shall consider if if
Yes, yes.
the
We
support
should.
and resistance
Yeah,
of the
the first
moving
condition
average
is,
has arrow.
yes, correct. The first condition is support and horizontal support and resistance. If there is no horizontal support and resistance, then we can go to moving average support and resistance. The second condition.
Okay. And what is the moving average support and resistance?
Usually I'm using 6 or 6
No,
or
no,
10.
I'm inputs. I'm not talking about the inputs. I'm talking about the strategy.
No, I didn't get you.
What is moving? What is moving average support and resistance? Is it that we just discussed that the upper wick should touch the candle, the candle should closes
Yeah,
below the moving average?
yeah. Upper wick should touch the moving average. For always, for the sell signal, upper wick should touch the moving average and close below of the candle, and it should be the a buy signal for the sell signal. If you want to get the sell signal, before signal should be a buy signal.
Okay,
Yeah, always whatever I say, the most of the my conditions, there should be a buy signal. Then only we should get a sell signal. And we are displaying this trend line, right? Can we remove
okay.
the trend line and can you show only arrows? Is that possible?
How do you
Because
want? Do you want? We can change the color of trend line to zero, so no trend line will be displayed on the chart.
uh, okay, we'll see, then we'll see later then after that. Okay, we finished these things, right?
Yeah, that's it from my side. Do you want to add anything else?
Yes, yes, I have some more. Okay, for suppose we have a color change, right? We have a color change here. Okay, if we yeah,
Okay.
the color change, if you see the low, this low and this low, this is as a low should be same. This is a red candle, right? Let me show you some white candles. Okay, then this strategy we'll see later. Let's finish this because I have
Okay.
another strategy which is very profitable for now. I've checked so many things
Okay.
on that, so we have to move that first. Once we finish that, then we can go to that. Let me see. Let me
Okay,
see.
Arjun, and I'll update the indicator right now according to the trend lines rule.
Yeah, this is one more strategy. This is very profitable. This is very good. I got it from Brazilians. The issue sir has
Wow,
told me that.
that's good.
Yeah. Where is that? I forgot. Oh my god. I did a lot of research on this. Color change. Oh my god.
Should I go again?
Just give me a minute. Let me show you that date and lines. Candlestick psychology. Okay, this is our next project. Okay, if you finish this in this week, we can go to this project.
Okay.
We have to
Four
find
candle
the
pattern.
four patterns. Is this possible? Can you finish it quickly? This.
Yes. Yes, this pattern is possible.
Yeah, this is the four candles and four candles, and this is five candles and five candles. Whenever you got the signal, find the pattern on the next candle, should be the opposite candle of the last candle. Opposite of the last candle. The last candle closed as uh, red, then we should get a buy signal. If it is green, a red signal. Green, red signal. Red, buy signal. And this is actually three reversal. We have to find the three reversal. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. And we have to find the three reversal in four candles and in the five candles. So this is my strategy. It's working very nice. I have seen so many things here. See,
That's
one,
good.
two, three. Next candle is red, and I'm telling you that we observe that we have to keep one. Now we have to wait for one bar. After bar closes, we have to check the candle has formed or not. We should not get any signal on the next bar. We already get the signal here. So it's kind of
Okay.
a distance, arrow distance we already keeping, right? So in the same way we have to keep one, two, one, two, three. It's a five candle. Next candle is a sell, but failed on the. It's a buy, but I can take up next bar. So it's a successful trade. Again, we have to check one, two, three. How many candles? There are too many. There's six candles, so we should not take the trade. Again, we have to wait for another pattern. One, two, three. Either buy, so we should get the signal here. Again we have to wait. Then there is no pattern. Then here we got the pattern. One, two, three. One, two, three, five signals. Next candle is a red. So if you quickly finish that, then we can go. We can move to this strategy. This one is good, really good for sideways market. This one is really good.
Okay then.
Yeah, I'm just giving just a brief explanation, but if you finish this by this week, if
Okay
you
then.
can,
I will
I
try.
know that I have given so many things, and you can send me the quotation also for the new strategies.
Okay then.
Okay, and let me